In this video, we'll present the CTERA Migrate tool and focus on the discovery portion of it. CTERA Migrate is a built-in data migration engine that provides data discovery and automated import of file shares from legacy NAS systems. First, let's look at the file server we'd like to conduct discovery on and the shares it has defined. Now, let's connect to the CTERA Edge Filer in order to access the migration tool. We'll enter our admin credentials. Then, from the main screen, we'll select File Server Migration and then Create Job and the Discovery option. With the Discovery tool, we'll analyze the file server to discover which shares to migrate, analyze the shares, and get an informative report on the content. In the next screen, we'll enter the file server IP address or DNS name and the credentials. Then, the shares on the file server are displayed, and we'll select the ones we'd like to run the discovery on and select Create. At this stage, the discovery job runs, and after analyzing the file server, the job completes, and we'll get a report as well as a full analysis of each share in the file server that we selected. The first pane in the discovery report shows the list of shares with details of each share, the number of folders in the selected shares, the number of files in the selected shares, the size of the selected shares, the status of the report for the selected shares. At the top of the window, the sum of the information for the selected shares is displayed. The second pane in the discovery report has tabs showing the following. Files, a pie chart with the sizes of the files in the selected shares. Last access, a bar chart showing when the files in the selected shares were last accessed. Last modified, a bar chart showing when the files in the selected shares were last modified. File types, the list of the file types in the selected shares. We also have an option to click on CSV and to export the report to a CSV file. Lastly, we can select Details, and there's also an option to rerun the discovery job.